This is the most eco-friendly soap, and it costs nothing, a perfect alternative to regular soap. It's gentle on the skin, even sensitive or children's skin, yet powerful enough to remove stubborn dirt. Every autumn I collect chestnuts because their properties are truly amazing. Gather about 10 ounces of chestnuts. Place them between 2 towels and crush them with a hammer or mallet into smaller pieces. Chestnuts contain saponins, natural cleansing agents that foam beautifully in contact with water. They clean gently, don't irritate the skin, and have anti-inflammatory effects. Put the chopped chestnuts into a pot, add about 2 cups of water, bring to a boil, and simmer for 30 minutes. Once the mixture cools, strain it through a sieve and pour it into a jar or bottle. This natural soap works perfectly for washing hands and body, doing laundry, or cleaning dishes. It's completely biodegradable, eco-friendly, and kind to your skin. The liquid stays fresh for up to 2 weeks.